Okay, so as we see, they're preparing to install COD Warzone. Okay, let's just see what's going on here. I'll try not to speed through this bit right now, just so you can get a bit of an idea of what's going on. Okay. Unable to install COD Warzone. This application cannot be installed because the developer did not intend for it to run on the platform. Okay, so what you have just watched there are the last 25 seconds or so from 8 hours of my life that I will never get back. So basically what I had done there was to set up a new boot drive with macOS on for my MacBook Pro M1 Max, and then I did a bunch of extracting of IPA files and whatnot from my iPad, and then injected them over onto the MacBook Pro M1 Max to see if I could get Call of Duty Warzone Mobile to play on my MacBook. But as you could see there, the whole thing was a massive fail. So the lesson here is, do not bother trying to install the IPA file for Warzone Mobile onto any Mac OS device. Now there might be some people out there thinking to themselves, come on Dave, you crazy fool, why did you even think you could install Warzone Mobile on any Mac OS device? Well, the reason for that is simply this, and as you will have been seeing on the screen right now, this is actually Call of Duty Mobile playing on a Mac Mini Apple Silicon computer. So when Apple came out with Apple Silicon, part of their announcement was to say you can actually load apps from iPad and iPhone onto Apple Silicon computers. However, what they failed to mention was that that can only happen when the app developer allows it. So in the past, as you can see with the video playing now, I actually done the exact same thing with Call of Duty Mobile. So basically extracted the IPA file from an iPad and then injected it over onto a Mac Mini M1, and then it obviously played amazingly well. However, within a couple of days of me doing that video, Activision actually patched it so you could no longer do that, and in the process I also got banned as well. So that was the reason why I thought Warzone Mobile might be able to play on the MacBook, and maybe Activision hadn't yet patched it so it didn't play on Apple Silicon computers. But obviously I got that one totally wrong. Anyways, if you were thinking about doing something similar and injecting the IPA files onto any macOS Apple Silicon device, don't bother, it does not work. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel would be awesome, and you might want to check out some of my gaming stuff on my gaming channel. I'm David Harry, thank you very much for watching this video, take care and goodbye now.